Hi there, Jeff from Pure Tesla. I'm here today to talk to you about this package, the TeslaCam, DashCam and Sentry Mode package that I'm including on my website. So I get a lot of questions all the time about how to format your drive for TeslaCam. And if you don't have easy access to a program or a computer that will be able to format the drive properly, it has to be in FAT32, and it also has to have a folder in it that says TeslaCam. Now, for some people that's easy, for others it's a little bit more challenging, and that's why I put together this package that includes my favorite drives, readers, and of course, the drive already coming to you fully formatted. So here's a couple of the pieces of information I think is important for you to know about what I'm including in this package. So the package comes with a micro SD card. Now, this is different than the traditional USB flash drive that has the drive built into the flash drive that you just simply plug in. The reason that I've used these micro SD cards is that they're designed for continuous recording. They're perfect for cameras. They're used in those high-speed cameras, DSLRs. They're used in a lot of video recording, drones, all that kind of stuff that's using high-quality 4K imagery onto a card. You need it to be super fast and also very reliable. Micro SD cards are the way to go for that. Considering that the Tesla records from multiple different cameras, sometimes constantly, a micro SD card that is high capacity is a perfect choice to use with Sentry Mode. That said, you can't just insert this into your Tesla. You do need a reader to go along with it in order to be able to insert into one, your car, to be able to record the footage, and two, to be able to retrieve that footage either in one of your devices or computers. Now that said, there's a couple of different options to do that. One of the options, if you have just standard USB-A, which is, what everyone knows USB to be, is to use just this one reader, and that's one of the options on the site. And the little SD card injects right into the reader itself. So you just plug that into your car and it will constantly write, and it's writing to this little drive right here, this tiny little thing. You plug that into your drive and it'll come to you already formatted and in the drive ready to go. You literally will take this, this is the USB-C one, I'll talk about this in a second. You'll literally take this out of the package, plug it into your car, DashCam and Sentry Mode are ready to go. You take it out of your car, plug it into your computer, and you're able to access all of your footage. Super easy. Now, for those of you that have either a USB-C or USB-A port that you'd like to utilize on, some Android users, iPad Pro users, Mac users that have USB-C on their computer, this might be a perfect option for you. It has USB-C on one side, which is perfect to plug into any of your other devices to retrieve the footage, and it has USB-A on the other, which is perfect to be able to plug it into your Tesla. Again, the same thing applies. Simply take the card and insert it into the side of the drive. It will come fully formatted and inserted for you, ready to go. Now, there's a thing about micro SD cards. Sometimes there's a lot of price fluctuations, and I've tried so many different versions of these, and I've really narrowed it down to 2 or 3 that I like the most, that I consider to be the most reliable. You may, at some point, given on price fluctuations, be receiving anywhere between a Samsung or a GigaPro or a SanDisk. There are different makes of micro SD cards, and I will only include in my package the ones that I've tested and know for sure are going to be working for you when you need it the most. That said, I'll update the site to let you know what you'd be receiving at that time, because sometimes there's as much of a $30 price differential between the different products, and it seems very random. Sometimes you get the Samsung at, let's say $40 a drive. Sometimes it's all the way up to $70 a drive, and there doesn't really seem to be much rhyme or reason to that. So I'm constantly monitoring those prices to make sure that I can provide to you a great price on this package. I make almost nothing on this. This is more so my opportunity to give back to the Tesla community in order to make sure that you guys have a properly working, high capacity drive for your TeslaCam, DashCam, and Sentry Mode. If you have any questions about this, either before purchase or after purchase, certainly reach out to me. You can get to me at jeff@puretesla.com. You can also find me on Twitter @puretesla. I've got a ton of videos about driving and life in the Tesla. You can check those out as well. You can find those at youtube.com/puretesla. Until next time, guys, hope you have a great day, and I hope you find a lot of value in this package that I put together. Again, contact me with any questions, and we'll see you soon. Take care.